Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy that you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to upcycle a dollar store glass vase and then turn it into a beautiful indoor table lamp. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need one placemat. The one I will be using has an interesting mosaic-like design. You will see that on one side of the placemat it is metallic silver and on the other side it is white. I also found this placemat in metallic gold as well. We will also need one glass vase. The one I am using is a tall cylinder shape. We will also need a battery-operated LED hanging light. The one I'll be using is gray, but I heard that Dollar Tree also sells them in gold if you can find them at your location. We will also need one glass candle holder and a string of silver beaded necklace. And as per most of my craft projects, we will also need our handy dandy glue gun. The one I'm using was purchased from Amazon. To start, we will need to measure out a piece of the placemat as it will be used to cover the glass vase. Once the placemat is cut to size, use some small amount of hot glue to adhere it to the outer portion of the glass vase. If necessary, use a good pair of scissors to trim any excess from either end of the vase. Next, apply some hot glue to the top rim of the glass candle holder and then adhere it to the bottom of the glass vase. To embellish the glass vase further, use some hot glue to add a string of silver beaded necklace to the top and bottom rims of the glass vase. And there you have it. Our upcycled dollar store glass vase is finished. Look how pretty it is with a bouquet of flowers inside the vase. Now remove the flowers and in place of it, place the dollar store LED hanging light to the top of the vase. The power switch resides on top, so it is very easily accessible. And there you have it. Our glass vase has turned into a table lamp instantly. Look at the beautiful glow the lamp gives. Comment down below if you prefer to use the glass vase to place flowers in it, or if you prefer to use the glass vase as a table lamp. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.